What is AI? I would like to talk about AI. After using AI about 3 years, let's think about building the AI content engines, moving from simple transaction to an integrated system for thinking, organizing, and creating. So, user internet AI processes. Simply, AI is a good tool, and how can we use AI properly? Simply, our software system learn from a specific goal. I started using AI on December 5th, since December 5 in 2023. So began learning Vietnamese initial use of AI fully as a base reference tool to ask questions, answer questions. I've been traveling Vietnam for 10 years and then still just communication language in Vietnamese, and then and I could communicate in English with the many tourists, tour guide or other Vietnamese friends. So, and then I didn't think about to learn Vietnamese, but when I found out the I saw it. And then if I if I could create the reference in Vietnamese with AI, I could have learned Vietnamese easily. So I started just 1 year for plan. Uh, After studying the Vietnamese with AI 1 year, and then I decided to learn. The result, my answer, let's do it. And then now 3 years of evolution. Shift from treating AI as a dictionary to understanding its underlying mechanic. Present day now AI function as a foundational system for learning, organizing information, and generating multiple contents. So now I'm okay. I little bit can get understand Vietnamese listening, and so I can talk, but the pronunciation is very difficult. Even in English, the pronunciation is always difficult as a foreign languages or second languages. I should practice much more. It's not just a tool for finding answer, it's an active infrastructure for processing thoughts. Shifting the mental model from the transaction to collaboration, give and take, to the question support. So let's think about when we use AI just to give and something. Hey, let's make let's would you guide for the good tour attraction in Vietnam? And then this is give a question about, and then the AI gives some report. And then this is some like event that usually gives the scattered information. AI dispenses and answers, characteristics are simple, isolate exchange, ending as soon as the answer is generated. But from give and take to request and support. Request and support is quite different. Request, I create the original data, but the data can be created in many ways. Nowadays, I can use the voice typing because the speaking is faster than writing. And then also even though I make mistake in pronunciation but the AI can understand well about the misproof, and then it creates refine the original content, and by doing that, and then AI can create the new proofread version. Then I can use the proofread version for my new data. And then, so user makes a highly specific and clear request. AI provides structured, organized support characteristics, and then our continuously collaborate to review where ideas are shared and refined. Then the data created by AI can be used um, to create contents from notebook and other some contents. Operating AI like a specialized project team. There is a project manager define overarching goal makes the clear test to provide the foundational idea or the final intention. Shared ideas and continuous feedback. The AI specialized team member is given the specific task, plan structure, organize raw data, define execution. The engine requires the original data to run. The idea, the intention, the request, and AI works best when fueled by the original user data. It cannot generate meaningful content from a blank slate. So the process will go from the original data to AI. AI can produce or define the new data. And then from the new data, I can create the contents from just like the notebook and other contents. Then the AI can, but all the process is from the like cloud, and using the account like Google account, then and then all connected. The connected can be then and it's something like my own uh, data format. It's totally the whole data will um, reacted and then annexed each other, structuring the core step information pipeline, right original idea, improving raw human thought, organizing Google Docs, structuring the raw thought, effort leading the AI step into improve, refine the text, save and categorize, storing the result as a PDF file or category document in organized folder, they're ready for use in new content generation by using Notebook LM, other some good that's good AI tools. And refining law includes into secondary data, the original data and perfect contains grammar mistake, unclear sentence, AI populating system refine and reorganizing the content. And improve data, the newly polished text, the secondary data, the improved data is ranked as a highly quality functional asset, and then and with this secondary data from AI, and then can create the future creation. Multiplying a single idea across the formats. Video share on YouTube, review, article, secondary data, infographic, presentation slide, educational material, joke summary. One refined idea fuels an entire ecosystem of meaningful content, ready to inspire or educate others across multiple platforms. Integrating the data organization ecosystem, processing module, AI language model for heavy lifting, proofreading, and structuring, and graph module, Google Doc, and for initial organization, writing, user Google account, access modules, Chrome browser tool, for interaction and capture, storage module, Google Cloud for archiving, categorized PDF or the final asset, the Google document itself, and then centralized account ensure seamless data flow, allowing new content to be rapidly generated from stored historical information. Global intelligence is bottleneck and local clarity. Billions of data points to global AI learnings. The user's request and the meaningful AI contents. This AI possesses massive, continuously improved knowledge. However, the quality of the final output depends heavily and entirely on the creator of user-specific best, better, or meaningful question guarantee better results. The collaborative iteration for meaningful content, the user provide original data intent for the tester. The AI provides flexible book reading, organization, the content engine of questionable or continuous creation and interaction. When we understand how to request properly and organize our data effectively, AI transforming from a simple answering machine into a partner that helps us and create meaningful content again and again. Yeah, this is because this is about the system support to use AI properly.